Hi all, as we are now covering the topic features of Java 8, so today we'll see the default method which we are using in Java 8 interface. So before Java 8 we don't have any method defined in the interface. We can only use abstract method in interface. So in Java 8 it has introduced default method and static method. So we'll see here that what is default method and what is the benefit of default method, and why we are using default method in Java 8, and I will show a small demo on the default method. So first we'll see the what is the default method. So any method in interface which is having the definition like this: public default void. Void is return type, so it can return anything. So this type of signature is there and it has the definition. So as we know that in Java interface can have only the declaration, but default method is having the definition. So here we can see in our iDemo default method interface, we have two method is here. So one is the method 2, which is abstract method, and second one is the method 1, which is the default method, because it contains the keyword default and it has definition. It is not only declaration. So now why we have default method in our interface Java. So as we know that in the case of enterprise application, one interface can be implemented by hundreds of classes. So as the time grow, there is requirement of change in the functionality of application. So that time we need to introduce new method. So when we are introducing new method, if we'll introduce a abstract method in our interface, so all the implementing class need to implement that particular method. But consider in enterprise application where we have many classes, so that time it will be overburden or it will be very hectic to implement the new method introduced in interface in all the classes. So we have feature of default method. So in interface itself we have definition of method, and class need not worry about it, and the class which we want to override that particular method, it can override the default method. Now I'll implement this particular interface in my default method implementation class, and I'll show you. I'll execute it, and I'll show you a small output. So here I'm implementing this iDemo default method interface. So it has one abstract method. So I have defined this abstract method here, and I have overridden it. So now we'll create an object, and we'll execute this particular main method. So here I have implemented this particular interface, and I have created one object of this iDemo default method interface, and I am calling here from this particular object to method 1. Method 1 is default method which is defined in this particular interface, and the method 2, which is abstract method, which I have overridden here, and I am calling from that method to from this main method. So I am executing this application, and let's see the output. So let's save it, and here we can see in the output it is coming from the default method of interface, and it is coming from the abstract method of the main class. So if a class need to override the default method, so it can also override the default method defined in interface. So we have method 1 is there in the interface, and I'm writing here sysout. I am over reading method 1. So here we can write at the rate override, and now I'll execute it, and you can see that it will print this particular string. It will not print this particular string because it has overridden the default method of interface. So here it is overridden the default method of interface, so it has printed these strings. So that's why we have seen here the use of default method and how we can use it in our application. Now I'll say the advantage. So with this feature, it has reduced the gap between abstract method and interface. Though the abstract class and interface, though in abstract class we can have constructor, but in interface we cannot have constructor. And apart from this, we cannot implement multiple abstract class, or we cannot extend multiple abstract class, but we can implement multiple interface to achieve the multiple inheritance in Java. So here we have shown the small demo of default method in Java 8.